Okay,
old,
Alex.
old friends. We walked and talked and talked and walked, walked and talked, talked and walked. We sat in the garden and looked at the flowers. We walked and talked for hours and hours. We drank coffee and I drank tea. We walked and talked from 1 to 3. We talked about him. We talked about us. Then we talked. Then we walked to the corner to get the bus. We waited and waited. The bus was late, so we stood and talked from 4 to 8.
Okay, yeah, thanks. Okay, so everybody, today I'm gonna teach you the final sound of the simple past regular verb ed or d. Okay, so here we have the final t sound. When a word in English is ending in ce or ch or f or gh or k or p or pe or sh or ss or x, when you add d or ed, that d or ed is pronounced as. So you see, place, placed, watch, watched, sniff, sniffed, laugh, laughed, cook, cooked, clap, clapped, escape, escaped, wash, washed, kiss, kissed, relax, relaxed. Okay? What did she do when you told her you wanted to marry her? Nothing. She just laughed. Okay? So um I'm gonna ask another person to read. Okay? So any volunteer to read? Those who have not read a poem. Okay? So let's have Amjad. Amjad, what you're gonna do, Amjad, is you will say place, placed, watch, watched. Okay? Amjad, go. Amjad, your microphone is off.
Yes, sir. I will ready. Place, placed, watch, watched, sniff, sniffed, laugh, laughed, cook, cooked, clap, clapped, escape, escaped, wash, washed, kiss, kissed, relax, relaxed.
Okay, good. Okay, next, Javier.
Yes, sir. Eh, place, plate, watch, watched, sniff, sniffed, lounge, lounge, cook, cook, clap, clapped, escape, escaped, wash, watched, kiss, kiss, relax, relax.
Okay, so you have to be more dramatic, Francisco, Javier, when you when you read. Like you gotta say place, placed. Okay.
Okay,
Um,
sir.
okay, I have to move on to the examples. Okay. So here, Samuel, you are volunteering. I'd like you to read the first three sentences.
Okay. Say, great importance is always placed on education.
Beautiful.
The movie that we watched last night is the best movie I've ever seen. Jonathan held, held the rose up to the nose and sniffed it.
Uh-huh. Samuel say sniff tit, sniff tit.
Sniffed it.
Yes, blend it, blend it. Okay, that one I think next time after the family day, I'll create a lesson about blending because I did that in my day class and they did a fantastic job. I think you need to learn how to blend. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me see. 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's have Hamad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Um, Karen laughed at me when I told her I wanted her to be my wife. I haven't cooked dinner yet. Would you like to eat out instead? None of the judges clapped after my performance. Before he could question the issue further, Jane escaped into the kitchen.
Very good, Muhammad. Beautiful pronunciation. Okay, next, Chandani, 8, 9, 10.
After David washed the dishes, he watched his favorite. He watched his favorite TV show. My teenage son became extremely embarrassed when I kissed him in the presence of his high school friends. Farida tells so relaxed during her job interview.
Okay, very good. Now, everybody, before we continue, okay, let me give you like a tip how to pronounce. See, you see here, it's placed, right? And this is on. What you do is everyone look at my hand. What you do is you blend them. You say placed on, placed on, placed on. Do not cut. Do not say placed on. No, placed on. Okay. And then this one, there is no vowel, so you can't. You just have to say watched. But look at this. Sniff, sniff it. You don't say sniff it in English. You say sniffed it. Sniffed it. Tit, 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 tit. Sniffed it. Sylvia, can you say sniffed it?
Sniffed it.
Yes. Yeah. If you do it this way, it's easy to pronounce. Sniffed it. Sniffed it. And the next one is this one. Okay, there's no vowel. You see, D is not a vowel, so it's not easy to blend. So you see, cooked dinner. You say, look, clapped after. Clapped after is not easy. If it is not easy, you say, none of the judges clapped after my performance. Okay, because you can actually pause and you say, none of the judges clapped after my performance.
Sorry, teacher. What happened with the for Karen louded at or is louded at?
No, laughed at, tat,
Oh,
laughed at. Karen laughed at me. You say laugh, F, laugh,
Laughed at,
laughed at,
laughed
tat.
at,
You
tat.
say Karen laughed at me. You got it, Rosa?
yes, teacher. Thank you.
Okay. But this one here, the reason why you didn't say clapped after is because you have to pause. None of the judges clapped after my performance. Okay. And escaped into, escaped into, escaped into, escaped into the kitchen and
Escaped
watched.
into.
Yeah, the secret here, Jovan, is you have to blend this. The t
Escaped into.
and the I.
Escaped into.
Now here there is no vowel. You see embarrassed. When I kissed him. Now here the H is gone. You say kissed him, not kiss him. Embarrassed when I kissed him in the presence of his high school friends. For this one, Farida felt so relaxed during her job interview. The same reason as this. There's nothing to blend, but because you have to pause a little bit. Farida felt so relaxed during her job interview. Farida felt so relaxed during her job interview. Okay, so let me read it to you one more time. Great importance is always placed on education. The movie that we watched last night is the best movie I've ever seen. Jonathan held a rose up to his nose and sniffed it. Karen laughed at me when I told her that I wanted her to be my wife. I haven't cooked dinner yet. Would you like to eat? Would you like to eat out instead? None of the judges clapped after my performance. Before he could question the issue further, Jane escaped into the kitchen. After David washed the dishes, he he watched his favorite TV show. My teenage son became extremely embarrassed when I kissed him in the presence of his high school friends. Farida felt so relaxed during her job interview. Okay, now back to this. When a word in English, look at the word ending, is ending with C, E, C, H, F, G, E. When you add ED or D, that ED or D becomes letter T. So you see placed, watched. Okay, and those are the examples. Now, rule number 2, the final D sound. When a word in English is ending in B or G or GE or L or M or N or R or VE or W or Y or Z, then when ED is added, the ED becomes D, not T. D, not T. So you see rob, robbed, logged, no, log, logged, damage, damaged, call, called, scream, screamed, clean, cleaned, offer, offered, save, saved, flow, flowed, play, played, buzz, buzzed. Okay, now volunteer. Okay, volunteer critics. Everybody has spoken. Okay, Roberto.
Rabbit.
No, no,
No,
what is it? Rabbit. No, robbed,
rabbit.
robbed. No, no, not bid,
No,
bid. You see?
rob, rabbit.
Okay, Roberto, can you say d, d?
The,
No, you say d,
the,
and
the,
then make it quiet. D.
the.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we are recording. I cannot say anything about
Rabbit,
this.
rabbit.
Okay, continue.
Okay, log it. Damage, damage. Call it.
No,
No,
Oh,
no E, no E,
no, no e.
no,
no E.
damage.
Okay, now Roberto, look at Roberto. Rob,
Rob,
rob.
Robert, Robert,
No, not bid.
No
What is
E,
it?
no E.
Robert, Robert, Robert.
No.
Oh,
Roberto, listen to me. Rob,
Rob,
rob. Come on, read. Rob.
Rob,
And then put
D.
D.
D, Rob, D, Rob,
I'm sorry. We are recording. I should not laugh at my student.
Rob,
When you say
Rod.
D, you've got to make it quiet.
Okay, Rob, Rod,
No,
Rob,
there's a D,
Rod,
but quiet. D. Rob, Rob, D.
Rob, Rob. D.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. It's not easy. Yeah.
Oh, no easy.
Rob, Robbed. Log, logged.
I don't hear
Damage,
it.
damage,
Continue.
damage, damn it, damn it. Sorry, Andrew, to me it's too hard. Call, call it. Scream, screaming.
Hmm? Your 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 sound is gone, Roberto.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, yeah, Roberto. Let me ask Jashan. Okay,
Okay,
Jashan, can you please read from clean to buzz? Clean, cleaned. Okay, go.
Clean, cleaned. Offer, offered. Save, saved. Flow, flowed. Play, played. Buzz,
How come the
buzzed.
sound is no good? Jashan, your sound is gone. Let me check. Okay, let me change my. Okay, Hamisi.
Yes, teacher.
Hamisi, can you please read from the top? You see, Rob robbed. Okay, go.
Rob, robbed. Log, logged. Damage, damaged. Call, called. Scream, screamed. Clean, cleaned. Offer, offered. Save, saved. Flow, flowed. Play, played. Buzz, buzzed.
Hamisi, perfect.
Thank you.
Everybody, listen to this. Hamisi's pronunciation of this is perfect and natural. Yeah, you know what I mean? Because sometimes you you can perfect the pronunciation, but it's not natural. But Hamisi, you did a fantastic job there. Okay, so
Thank you very much.
when I teach you, sometimes I say when I teach you, I say Rob robbed. Why? Because I want you to hear. That's why I exaggerate. But naturally, Hamisi's pronunciation there of Rob robbed, logged. You know the d is quiet, but you can hear d. That is the natural one. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the examples, and I'm gonna ask. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna ask Nadia to read 1, 2, 3. Nadia, be careful, okay?
I was robbed during my trip to Australia. I lost everything, including my passport. The moment I logged in, I saw your email for the first time. The heavy rain has seriously flooded and damaged my basement. It was cost me an arm and a leg to repair it. I
Okay.
called you.
No. That's it. Only 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you, Nadia. Nadia, can you please say this? Oh my God. Can you please say this, Nadia?
Log it,
No, this.
log it,
No, logged in.
log
I
in,
told you got to connect. Okay, logged in.
logged in.
You see, the moment I logged in, don't say logged in. No,
Okay,
logged in because
logged
you know vowel,
in.
right? The moment I logged in, I saw your email for the first time. Okay, next. Um, only Alhan is volunteering. Okay, 4, 5, 6, Alhan. And Adila, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, Alhan, go.
I called you so many times last night and nobody answered the phone. Where were you? I was worried sick about you. When she screamed at me, I know she was really furious.
No, furious.
Furious. I cleaned the kitchen first and then I watered the roses.
Okay.
7.
Wait. No. Okay, very good, Alhan. Okay, next, we have the same people. Alexander, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Diana offered me managerial position job, but I declined it. So far, I've already saved up enough money for the down payment. The water flowed out of control and flooded the kitchen. Ali played basketball in college before he joined the Olympics.
Alexander, you're so good, Alexander. Okay, everybody. Okay, Alexander, can you please, everybody, I'd like you to listen to Alexander the way he pronounced this blending. Alexander, can you say that?
But I declined it.
Yeah, you see, I declined it. I declined it. Alexander, you got it. Got it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, Alexander, this.
Saved up.
Yeah, and this.
Flowed out.
Yes, my God, Alexander, you are you're a quick learner. Okay,
Appreciate it.
everybody, this one is one technique that you can learn so that you can speak English faster. And this one in my day class, I taught this, like how to blend in order to so that you are more effective, or you can speak faster, and you can speak with better pronunciation. I declined it. It's not I declined it. No, don't cut. Okay. Now, you know what? Amjad. Amjad, you're volunteering, right?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Amjad, read everything.
I was robbed during my trip to Australia. I lost everything, including my passport. The moment I logged in, I saw your email for the first time. The heavy rain has seriously flooded and damaged my basement. It will cost me an arm and a leg to repair it. I called you so many times last night and nobody answered the phone. Where were you? I was worried sick about you. When she screamed at me, I knew she was really furious. I cleaned the kitchen first and then I watered the roses. Diana offered me the managerial position job, but I declined it. So far, I have already saved up enough money for the down payment. The water flowed out of control and flooded the kitchen. Ali played basketball in college before he joined the Olympics.
Very good, Amjad.
Thank you, sir.
No, Amjad, he got that declined it, saved up, flowed out. He got it.
Thank you, sir.
My God, and you are yeah, yeah, and you're still young, you know. Okay, wonderful. We have to move on to the okay. Okay, so rule number 2, robbed. It's not t. Rule number 1, it's placed. Rule number 2, robbed. Okay, rule number 3, when a word, rule number 3 is easy to remember. When a word in English is ending in D or DE or T or TE, when you pronounce the simple past, you will say id, and also you will add another syllable. Everybody understand me? You will add another syllable. For example, if you say, everybody look at my hand, everybody, my fingers. Correct, correct, like 2 syllables, right? When you add ed, it becomes 3 syllables. You say corrected, corrected, corrected. This happens only when a word is ending in D or DE or T or TE. If not, you do not do this. Just like Roberto, when you were reading earlier and you said rabbit. You
Okay.
cannot say bed, because this happens only with a TD and DE and TE. So
Oh,
here you see and ended, blend, blended, want, wanted, need, needed, decide, decided, glide, glided, collide, collided, wait, waited, paint, painted, rent, rented, submit, submitted, print, printed, create, created, hate, hated, rate, rated. Remember this. This additional syllable only happens when a word in English is ending in D or DE or T or TE. Okay, Samuel, please read. And then Jovan. Okay,
Me first?
you first.
Thank you. Say, and, ended, blend, blended, want, wanted, need, needed, decide, decided, glade, gladed, collide,
No,
collided,
collide.
collide, collided, wait, waited, paint, painted, rent, rented, submit, submitted, print, printed, create, created, hate, hated, rate, rated.
Beautiful, Samuel. Samuel, you have beautiful Canadian pronunciation. What is
Thank
your
you.
secret?
Study.
Nice, good going.
Jovan,
Nice one.
Jovan, I know what he's doing. Okay, okay, Jovan, go.
End, ended, blend, blended, want, wanted, need, needed, decide, decided, glide, glided, collide, collided, wait, waited, paint, painted, rent, rented, submit, submitted, print, printed, create, created, hate, hated, rate, rated.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, beautiful voice, Jovan. Okay, yeah, your voice, Jovan, is powerful. You know what I mean?
Thank you,
Okay,
sir, for the compliment.
everybody, I need to tell you something. Okay, everybody, do you understand nasal sound? Nasal. You know nasal sound? Nasal means speaking through the nose. You don't speak from your diaphragm. You speak through the nose. Like, for example, you say, I wanted to see you yesterday. I live in Toronto. I live in Toronto. I wanted to see you in Toronto yesterday, but you didn't answer the phone. I don't know what's wrong with you. That's
Right, sir,
nasal.
right.
That is nasal. And one of the reasons why not a lot, some second language learners, when they come to Canada, they do not understand Canadian English because many Canadians, especially the young people, maybe people from 18 to 25, use a lot of nasal sound. Like, for example, I wanted to see you in Toronto. I wanted to see you in Toronto. It's not I wanted to see you in Toronto. You know what I mean? It's not like that. So I wanted to see you in Toronto yesterday, and you didn't answer the phone. So I couldn't pick. I wanted to pick you up. Right, honestly, I want to pick you up. Nasal sound, right? And so here, the reason why I'm talking about nasal sound is this. Everybody, look at this. So here we have ended, blended. Look at this. It's okay. The original pronunciation is wanted, but many Canadians do not say wanted. They say wanted, 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 wanted. Can you say that, Jovan? Wanted,
Wanted,
wanted. The T is gone.
wanted, yeah,
Wanted.
wanted.
Yeah, Jovan, can you say I wanted to see you?
I wanna see you. I wanna see you in
No,
Toronto.
no. I wanted to see you.
I wanted see you. I wanna see you.
No, it's not easy, right? No,
Think-
Good
Jovan.
try, good try.
My tongue. Yeah.
No, 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 no.
Twist tongue.
Okay, Roberto, can you say, I wanted to see you yesterday in Toronto?
Yes. I wanted to see you yesterday, Toronto.
Good try, very good try, very good try.
You call this, everybody, you call this nasal. You know?
Just like sounds
Okay.
like a drunk, sir.
Sorry, Andrew.
No,
Sounds
but,
like a drunk.
but Jovan.
Sorry.
Hmm?
I had a question. If for this Samuel and Jovan is two different when they speak?
Who?
Jovan and Samuel, because I listen different in the words. Jovan say one word different when Samuel say. Why?
Okay, Samuel, can you hear me?
Because Josan don't study. And I don't study.
No,
Because
like,
Samuel
no,
say Samuel say ended, and Jovan said ended.
you mean
Oh,
the last two words,
ended.
hated?
The third ones.
Okay,
And
Jovan, can you
ended.
say the first one? And
Ended.
again?
Ended.
No, say both.
And ended.
Samuel, can you say it?
And ended.
Sylvia, Jovan is better.
Yes.
Yes. Because Samuel has
Ended.
a little bit of Spanish there sound in the end.
Huh.
But it's ended, dead,
Ended.
dead, ended. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but don't worry. It's but Samuel is correct, but there is there is a little bit of Spanish sound, which is very little. So yeah, don't worry about it.
And ended.
Yeah, it's the Spanish is gone.
Mhm.
So I don't study. Sorry.
I listen differently. The both. Sorry, but I
Okay,
listen differently.
everybody. Okay, let's go back to nasal. Okay, here we have wanted, waited, not waited, waited, painted, painted. I painted the kitchen. I painted the kitchen. Rented. The apartment has been rented. And submitted. Printed, created, hated, rated. Okay, so my point is normally the T becomes D, or if the N and T are combined, the T is gone. Like wanted, rented, granted, painted. If there is no NT combination, it's just a T, submitted, not submitted. Submitted, created, hated, rated. Uh, yes. Okay, everybody got it? Okay. So now let's have Rosa. You're gonna read sentences. Okay, Rosa, please read 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. When the movie ended, the audience was left with a lot of questions. I wanted I wanted to talk with you yesterday. That's why I called you. Where were you? Where were you when I
No, see,
needed
okay,
you?
where were you? Like, where
Where
were
were
you?
you?
And
Where
then
were
the number
you
3,
when
where were
I
you when I go?
Where were you when I needed you?
4.
Okay. Before she decided to immigrate to Canada, she consulted her family.
Uh-huh. Rosa, can you see consulted?
Consulted her
Yes.
family.
Okay, good. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Let's have Rabia. 5, 6, 7.
Okay. When the two cars collided, I was standing inside the bus shelter. And mind you, I was terrified. She waited for her sister to graduate from college before she got married. It's my son's room, so I painted it blue.
Blend. I painted it.
Painted blue.
No, I painted it.
Painted it. It's my son's room, so I painted blue. Sorry.
No,
Paint,
Rabia. I
yes,
painted it blue.
I painted it blue.
Yes. Okay, one more time.
Thank
It's
you.
my son's room. Go.
It's my son's room, so I painted it blue. Thank you.
Very good, Romeo.
Thank you.
Okay, at least you can learn, right? Okay, Adila, 8, 9, 10.
The apartment that I rented was very inexpensive, but also very small and uncomfortable. She submitted her math homework late, and the teacher was not happy. I used to work in a factory, and believe me, I hated it.
Okay, so Adila, when is your last sentence, perfection. But the first one, you see, the apartment, no. Everybody, let me teach you this. Okay, everybody, you see, this is the, right?
Yeah.
When the, everybody listen to this rule. When the is followed by a vowel, the becomes the.
Oh.
Everybody, are you following me? When the is followed by a vowel, the is pronounced as the, not the. When the is followed by a consonant, the is the, like the boy, the mother, the father, the cousin, the teacher, the room, the building, the car, the bus, the train. But when the is followed by a vowel, A, E, I, O, U, that the becomes the egg, the orange, the only boy, the the umbrella, the eyebrows. Everybody, you got it?
Teacher, can
Yes.
you repeat, please?
The apartment. The apartment. Yeah.
Yeah, the apartment. So
Yes.
here, Masuda, was it Masuda? All right.
Adila.
Adila.
So
Adil.
here, Adila, can you please repeat the number 8?
Sure. The apartment that I rented was very inexpensive, but also very small and uncomfortable.
Very good,
Teacher,
Adila.
it was good correction. I always confuse with the and the. I never know it.
Yeah, because you need rules, right?
Yeah.
So
Thank you.
now, everybody, now you know the rule, right?
Yes, sir. We need
Yes,
to
sir.
follow.
Thank you.
Okay, now
Thank
you are level 6, 7, so I'm gonna expand the rule. Now, with the vowel U, you know U.
Yes.
When, okay, letter U has two pronunciation. One is U and one is umbrella. And sometimes it's U, university. You got it, everybody?
For example,
Yes,
is exit. The exit.
No. Okay, Juvan, don't sway me. Okay. Um, Everybody, the letter U has two pronunciation. One is U, like in university, unit, United States. The other one is under, understand, umbrella, unrealistic, unhappy. Everybody, you got it? So now the rule is when you is you say the umbrella, the uh, the unhappy child. But when you is you, it's the university, the United States, the unit has been rented. Everybody, you got it? Because
Yes,
you
sir.
is it's a vowel sound. But when you say university, U is like YOU, right? it sounds like Y. So because it sounds like Y, and Y is a consonant, so you see the university, the United States of America, not the United States. No, you see that. I hope you understood me. Okay, now let's go to the last one. And I'm gonna, okay, you know what? Let me choose. I don't want volunteer. I'm gonna choose. Anna Cristina, can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Anna Cristina, can you please read the sentence?
Yes. Um, I want to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
No, Anna Cristina.
No?
Um, okay, no, I'll choose the people who have not spoken yet. Joseph, can you please read?
I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
Joseph, correct, but you have British pronunciation. Jovan, Masuda, Nadia, Nia. Nia, can you please read?
I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
You are good, but let me find another person. Ronnie, can you please read?
I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
Dancing? No,
Danced.
no. Shaheen, please read.
Yes, teacher. I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and they danced all night long.
You're British. Okay. Hamad, I like you to speak American. Okay,
Yes,
Hamad.
sure, why not? I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
No. You know what? I'm gonna ask. I was thinking actually of Alexander. I was actually thinking about you because you are so focused in the class. You understand little things that I say, and you remember. Okay, Alexander, don't disappoint me. Okay.
Now I'm
Okay.
nervous.
Everybody, listen to Alexander. Okay, Alexander, go American.
I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
Yeah, I wanted. Everybody, I wanted. Don't say I wanted.
I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long. I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
Look at this, Jovan. Jovan,
Trying hard, sir. I'm trying hard.
no, Jovan, you are looking for compliments.
No.
Okay, okay, Jovan, let me teach you. Jovan, can you say I wanted to have fun,
I wanted to have fun.
so I stayed at the
So I
party,
stayed
party.
at the party. I
No,
stayed at the
party,
party. So I stayed at the party
and dance all night long.
and danced all night long.
Okay, one more time.
I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
Your pronunciation of party is Filipino. Okay, can you say party?
Party. Party.
No, party. D.
Party.
Okay. Okay, very good. Hamad, Hamad, you're a young guy. I believe in you. Hamad, can you please say, I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long. Okay, go.
I wanted to have fun, so I stayed at the party and danced all night long.
I noticed that Jovan and Hamad, you could not Americanize the word party. Wow, party. Alexander, can you say party?
Party.
You see, easy. Um, Okay, let me get a lady. Chandani, can you say party?
Party.
No, par.
Party.
Yeah. Okay. Chandani say, British, come to my party.
British, come to my party.
No.
Party.
Okay. Okay. I come.
British, come to my party.
Can I join?
Yes, of course.
Adila, she wants to read. Okay, Adila, what do you want to say?
No, teacher, I just want to repeat the word party.
Okay. Okay, Adila, say to Jovan, Jovan, don't come to my party.
Okay. Jovan, don't come to my party.
Why? Any reason?
Okay, Jovan say reason.
Reason.
You talk too much.
Oh my
Now I know.
Mamma
Thank you.
mia.
We missing you last week because nobody talks into you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.
You miss me.
Okay, everybody, do you want me to post this so you can download?
Yes, please.
Like
Yes,
everything,
please,
right?
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
please.
Yes,
Please.
please.
Yes.
Thank you.
The more practice, the more better, sir.
Yeah, the better, right?
Yes,
Okay.
yes, please.
So,
Don't
yes.
forget.
Okay, let me stop the recording first so it's easier for me to edit. Okay.
To edit.